Welcome to Mohammed Ali Travel YouTube channel. My name is Christina and I'm here in Quito, Ecuador. Today is Sunday, March 6th, and in this opportunity I'm not wearing my curly hair and it's because I have to work today. So I will show you a little part of my daily activities there. To arrive at my job we have to travel about 10 or 15 minutes by car. So let's start. As you can see, Quito today looks cloudy, but you can still admire its beautiful landscape. My dog, this is my business, my dog, my ice cream shop. Look. Ready to start. Before let me introduce my coworker Carolina. She is the best preparing our waffles. We in the process to start a day, we must prepare a waffle recipe. This is a process to start to prepare a blue waffle animal. Wow, look what delicious ice cream. Cream. M&M. Look what delicious. Oreo cookies. Wow. Our client will be happy with this bubble waffle. Look, this dessert is one of the most popular here in Ecuador. It's with ice cream and cheese.
Blue tea are also the best seller here.
So we finished for today. Now I'm gonna get back my home.
Night has fallen and the traffic becomes chaotic.
Well guys, we finished for today. I hope you enjoyed this experience with me. If you travel to Ecuador, don't forget to visit me. It will be my pleasure being your touristic guide, and don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video. See you soon. Abrazos.
USA. Are you fancy to win 200 USD? Then join our awesome competition on MohammedAli.tv and turn your dream into an exciting adventure. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's go. Step 1, tweet the 3 hashtags. Hashtag Muhammad Ali, hashtag love travel, hashtag win money with your photo standing in front of your favorite landmark. For example, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, followed by a few of your own words to describe the photo. Step 2, subscribe to the YouTube channel of Muhammad Ali, like and share it, and leave a meaningful travel quote of your choice in the comment section. Step 3, send an email to subscribeandwin@mohammedali.tv with your name and age to register your interest. As usual, our terms and conditions apply. More info can be found on www.mohammedali.tv. Wish you good luck and see you next time. Ciao!
The way